So in this example, it says the cornfield has an area of 80,000 square feet. That is probably an initial condition or a final condition. I have to read the rest to think about it, okay? So then it says a new parasite has caused the area of the cornfield to be decreased. All right, so this is probably our initial condition of 80,000, right? So 80, oh, that's a horrible 8. 80,000 is our initial condition. And it's decreased by 1/4 every month. So 1/4, but it's a decrease. So now this is interesting. If it's decreasing, that means we're going to subtract that from the whole, okay? Now this one doesn't have to be written. This one you can leave as a fraction. I've never seen this before in all my years of teaching, but you can do it mathematically. So you could leave this as a fraction, but it's probably going to be a negative 1/4, okay? And this is the rate. So this is the initial condition. This is our rate. And then it says, so let me group these so there's no confusion. Then it says, which equation can be solved to determine the number of months t, that's the time, when the cornfield is approximately 35 or 33,750. So this is the final. Now I'm going to use regular words. So this is always going to be the initial condition or the initial value times 1 plus or minus the rate, and we'll talk about that in a second, times the time, or raised to the time, okay? And then that has to equal the final. So if I were to write that out, it should be 80,000, but because, and then 1, now our R has to be negative because it's decreasing. So it's going to be 1 minus 1/4 raised to the t, and all that has to equal 33,750. Can I squeeze that in there? Now I got to fix this. So okay. We want it to look somewhat presentable. All right, so 33,750. So that's the equation. The only thing that we need to change is what's 1 minus 1/4? Well, that is that's going to be 3/4. So this right here becomes 3/4 because 1 minus 1/4 leaves you with 3/4. So it's 80,000 times 3/4 raised to the t is equal to 33,750. So I think it is this one, right? Now to solve that, we could plug that in the calculator or we could just graph it. So what I can do is I have to open up another tab, I think. So let me do that. I gotta hurry. So I think I had 80,000 times 3 divided by 4. I'm going to raise that to the x. Oh, this one. I have to raise it to the x because we do everything in x. It doesn't like that, so I got to get rid of that.